Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial on Corel. On today's class, I'll be showing you how to import and how to export. I hope you have been learning and following on this course on Corel, the introductory course on Corel. If you have any difficulties, as always say, please just go to the contact section and drop your complaint there or request for a WhatsApp call. We will discuss together or even Zoom. Please, thank you very much. Always free to always make sure that you leave your review on these videos and on everything that we are doing here. Okay, now so I'll be showing you how to import and how to export. So if you have been following the class keenly, your design should be looking exactly like my own right now, because I'm already showing you how to design a flyer already like that with what we are doing. I hope you are happy. All right, so to import we have to go to file. From file we have to go to import. Now the shortcut for import is what? Is Control I. Please write that down. The shortcut for import is Control I. So something I would like to talk to you about is the file format, because they always like make sure that you need to choose the type of file that you want to import, the type of file that it supports, and all those stuff. So meaning that if you are looking here, you can import Adobe Illustrator, JPEG, all formats. You can use almost all formats, Corel Draw files and all those stuff. So in this my case, since let me say for example you want to import a PDF, all you have to click on PDF and it's gonna quickly summarize all the stuff here into PDF and you import. You simply click on import, it's gonna import. But now on this case I don't have a PNG option there, but it actually imports PNG. So you have to go and you select the PNG that you want to use. So let me say I wanted to import a PNG. How do I do that? Let me show you how to do that. First of all, the first step is to identify. After you have gone to import, you identify what you want to import. So let's say what I wanted to import was my academic logo, so I'll need to locate where the academic logo is. Immediately I locate where the academic logo is, we'll have to carry it now into Corel Draw. So it means that you just have to hold it and you shift it into Corel Draw. Voila, it's PNG because I wasn't given the option to import a PNG. So after you have imported, to drag, now you have to like just drag and hold, then you balance it how you want it to be. I wanted something to be like this. Okay, all right, now next part, how to export. File, export, or you click Ctrl E, which is a shortcut. Then now you always see export for, means that if you want to that you should export as a document on for what you have to come here. You want to use it for social media, you click on web. You have to use it for WordPress, you click on that. If you also click here, you see the other one like HTML and other ones. So it's always good that you click on the specific folder that you are exporting for. So I want to export Control E. From Control A, I'll have that the option save as type. Which type do you want to save it for? So you have to choose the type of file that you want to save it for. It's PNG. In this case I want to save a JPEG. Let me go to, then identifying the place you want to save it to is very important, so that it will be easy for you to save your file. So when it comes like this, you'll always be given option if you want which type of quality do you want. You can choose high, low, medium quality, all your stuff. But always make sure that you save as you want it, right? If you are doing, I'm doing this because I want to use it on social media. I want to use it for the social. I want to use it for web. Click on OK. It's gonna immediately save. In this case, assuming that I wanted to save for printing, come to File, come to Export. Then now, instead of using JPEG, I advise you use PDF, because PDF maintains the quality for printing. I'm giving you tips if you want to do printing, or we are learning these graphics on Corel to be able to do printing very well. You should be able to know that the best saving option is PDF for printing. All right. So immediately it has saved. Let's try to identify whether what we have done has gone. Okay, I saved my own like text, and this is the text design. Then this is the PDF right there that has been highlighted. So that is how to save on this thing on a Corel. My advice is that before you want to save, know the purpose you are saving it for. When you know the purpose you are saving it for, you will be able to identify the best quality to do your saving. Thank you very much. See you on the next tutorial.